Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this colorful eyes yet a soft glam look. It is very simple and it's very easy, and let me take you through the steps. So first, I'm going to make sure I clean the skin thoroughly. You know how I like it to do it over here. And in today's video, my model did come in with mascara on. So first trick you should learn how to do is to take off excess mascara. So if you've got mascara on, just take on a wipe, go in with your micellar water and just rub it on the eyelashes, and you will see how all of it is going to come off. Okay, if you have not yet, kindly subscribe down below and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what other video you would like to see. Okay, so we're done now cleaning the skin. I'm going to go into hydrate. I've already hydrated. I used the Blossom spray. I'm going in now with the Blossom moisturizer to moisturize the entire skin and to make sure I fit the skin before we go in with the foundations. Okay, amazing. So you want to make sure that sinks in, and the rest of it I'm just going to blend it down the sides of her neck. Okay, amazing. So next, after that is done, I'll go in with a mattifying primer, also by Blossom Makeup, and I'm just going to take that in little amounts. Amazing, look at that skin glow. I'm just going to apply that on the T-zone area. You want to apply this on the T-zone, avoiding the under eyes. Okay, so I did go off camera to do the foundation, and look at this shade match. This shade match is on point. Next, we're going to go into contour. For contour, I do not like the dark contour anymore, so I'm just going to stick with let's call it bronzing. Okay, so I'm just going to bronze up the face. I did go in with the Blossom concealer, then I mixed it with the lighter shade of concealer, and this is what we're working with right now. Okay, amazing. So it's just to warm up the skin. You know, we don't want it looking too dark anymore. We don't do dark concealers here anymore. Okay, we are growing. So after that is done, I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm going in with that orange shade, you know, for further glow, because that is the like aim of this part of this look. It's going to have to match with the eyes. If you're enjoying this video so far, kindly make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I have news coming up in right now. Okay, so I have to pause this video to talk about the main makeup online class, and it's just for 5,000 naira, where you would learn in depth. I'm taking you through all my steps for everything that I have learned and everything that I have known, and it's just for $10 and 5,000 Nigerian naira. Okay, this is like in-depth burnout as a makeup artist, light setup. We're going to be working on a light and dark skin model, how to edit photos, like tips and tricks that you feel like, oh, you know, you're going to learn something new in this class, so it is worth your money. Okay, so do make sure to register. You can comment down below, down in the comment section, or you can just message us and follow us on Instagram at _beautyhq. Okay, amazing. This class is the truth. Okay, so I'm going in now to highlights, and I use the Adventure and Blossom Makeup foundation to apply concealer on the skin, and I'm just going to make sure I blend. Zoom in this work. Look at the blend, look at the skin work. This is what you're going to be learning in the class in detail. Talk through every bit and every minute. Okay, I can't stress this enough, because this class is the truth. New techniques that have come out, that I've learned, I'm going to be sharing it all with you. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure I blend that out and blend that in. I did go off camera again. I'm sorry, I just had issues with my lights and I've set the whole face. So now I'm just going to apply blush and contour. Okay, amazing. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sorry if you're hearing noise. I'm actually filming this voiceover late at night, so please do wear to bed with us. Amazing. So can you look at that skin work? Look at this. Oh my god, it is so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. Make sure to register for that class. God bless you. So next I'll go into bake now because we're about to move into the eyes. I did go off camera to do the brows because I have a new brow technique and I'm going to be sharing it in my coming class. So see the more reason why you should register, because you're going to get lifelong access to this class. You always come back to watch it. So you should register, okay? Lifelong access to it, you always have it, and you can also share it to your friends, so it is worth your coin and worth your money. So I've done the brows off camera, and now for eyeshadow I did go in with the Flawless IV eyeshadow base. It is a white base, so I'm going to make sure I blend that thoroughly. Okay, yes, going to make sure I blend that thoroughly. And I'm using the Blossom eyeshadow palette. This palette, if you're looking for multi-purpose eyeshadow palette, this is the one for you to get. So I'm going in with the orange shade. The orange shade, I'm just going to tap that on the lid. Make sure it is like really pigmented, as you can see. Really pigmented. So shout out to Blossom Makeup, you are doing amazingly well. Keep it up for us, please. Nigerian brands are now killing this, okay? And I'm so proud. Okay, next I'm going in with this reddish pinkish shade, and I'm going to use that to blend the orange. This is like basic, simple, easy eyeshadow, and you're going to learn more, even more in depth. I'm going to show you colors that you can pair together when we're working on our light skin and dark skin model. Okay, so go on ahead, send us a DM, comment down below, and can't wait to see you in class. So I'm just going to blend that out. Make sure you blend thoroughly. The kind of brush you use matter as well. You can't use anyhow brush and expect the same result. It is not possible. Okay, so now I'm going in with highlighter just to quickly highlight the lips, and I just like this, what it does, because it helps me map out the lip. Yeah, it's something I like to try. So I'm going in the aim for the lip is a nude lip, so I'm just going to do that. And the palette I use is by Blossom Makeup as well. Okay, yes, so I'm going to make sure I blend that and blend that thoroughly. I think the name of the shade is Amara, I think, yes. So I'm lining the lip right now with a mixture of the brown and ox blood. Yes, and can you see the skin work? Oh my god. Next we're going into finishing, and I'm just going to dust off the excess powder, go back in and reinforce the blush wherever it is I've lost it. Make sure everything is blended, that you don't see the beginning from the end. Now go in to spray the face thoroughly. You know, you want to lock it in. Don't go in and dab. You don't use it with this one, please. Don't go in with your beauty sponge to dab, please. Next, I'm going to apply Glow by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the finished look. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to register for the May online class, because you're going to love every bit of it. Bye bye.